You have been studying English for years, maybe months, maybe your whole life, and still when someone speaks fast,
Thanks for having me to show B, rare. The thing is, I was in her dressing room.
you don't understand what they say. When you have to write an email, when you have to say something important, words does not come out from your mouth. Something stop you. I can understand your feeling. I had also gone through this problem. When I started learning English, I had one major problem, that was practice partner. But one day I found a way to practice my English called Claude AI. And you won't believe it, it made me fluent in less time. And the best part is it's completely free. You don't need to pay even single rupees. Using an AI that speaks better English than most native speakers. This video is for anyone who knows English but feels stuck, understand a lot but speaking confidently feels hard. So watch this video till the end. Before I start this video, let me break about something about Claude AI. Claude, which is made by company called Anthropic. Claude is a tool I use every single day to practice, improve and level up my English. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it as your personal English coach, vocabulary trainer and English practice partner and conversation partner. Without investing time, let's dive in. Let's start. Method number 1, conversation partner. Speak without fear, without any agitation. Number one reason people don't improve their spoken English is fear of judgment. They afraid of making mistake in front of real people, so they don't speak. But Claude AI does not judge you. It treats you like their children. So here's what I do. I open Claude and I write this exact prompt. Act as a friendly native speaker. I want to practice a conversation about topic, let's say travel. You can choose your topic according to your interest and correct me when I make mistake, and but keep the conversation going. So I type my topic and then Claude start chatting with me like as a native speaker, as a friendly English tutor. Just you speak in real life, write as if you are talking to Claude. So do this thing. Claude responds naturally and picks my mistake and correct them naturally without making me feel bad. It explains why and then we start talking again. Do this thing for 1 month and you will shocked. After doing this thing, you will shocked, and it improved me a lot. I also use this technique, so you can do the same thing. But the key prompt you need to remember: correct me naturally and explain my mistake briefly and keep the conversation continue. Method number 2, vocabulary in context. Let me tell you one very important thing, that is vocabulary plays very significant role in your spoken English. Memorizing word lists does not work. You forget them in just 3 days. The secret is learning new word in context, in sentences that actually mean to you. In order to improve your vocabulary, give this prompt to the Claude AI. Teach me 5 advanced English words related to topic you care about with the meaning and example sentences and the common mistake that people making with these words. I do this every morning with topic I always care about, like cricket, technology, reading book and politics and whatever. So you can do the same thing, and you can't believe it. It built my vocabulary tripled. Method number 3, understand pronunciation pattern. You don't have vocabulary problem, you don't have your accent problem. We have our own Indian accent, so we don't have any problem except pronunciation problem. We have one major problem, that is pronunciation problem. If you really want to be fluent like a native speaker, then you will have to improve your pronunciation. In order to improve your pronunciation, you can help to Claude AI. I know Claude can't hear you, but it make you sound better, and it can make your pronunciation next level. So for example, in order to improve your pronunciation, give this prompt to the Claude AI. Give me the difference in pronunciation between these two words and give me the right way to remember it for a long period of time. For example, desert versus desert, weather versus weather. These confuse everyone, and Claude will break this down for you, and it will give you right way to remember and pronunciate. But remember, watching video is not enough. If you will not apply these techniques or methods on yourself, then you don't speak English in rest of your life. So apply these techniques on yourself as much as you can, as many times as you can. So that's it for today. I am going to end this video. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure smash that subscribe button and give it a like and share with your friends who want to improve their spoken English. I will see you in the next video. Bye.